In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to create a video in Canva. Canva has 2 ways to do it. That is Canva AI Video and Magic Media. I'm going to show you both. So the first thing you need to do is to come to your Canva homepage. Here, I'm using the Canva software which I installed on my computer. And here on the left hand side, you see Canva AI. Click on that and it brings you this box. And you see, you can paste in your prompt here to describe what you want. In my case, I first of all have to choose here what I want, which is create a video clip. I'm going to click on that and I'm just going to paste in my prompt. And it says a short cinematic video shot in gentle warm style. The scene is captured from a low angle shot, a toddler's perspective, showing a child with rosy cheeks dressed in a cozy winter coat, giggling as he chases a fluffy chicken around the front of a quaint snow-dusted house. Golden morning light filters through the bare branches and all of that. And then you can come and choose your style. You may want it to be cinematic, photorealistic, 3D render, anything of that sort. I'm just going to choose cinematic. And then the aspect ratio, I'm just going to leave it at this. If you want to use this for mobile, then this is coming soon. And then the duration is 8 seconds. And then the framing, you can choose any of these. I'll just say, let's just say medium short. And then lighting, I want it to be, let's see, soft lighting. And then that's it. I can just go ahead. Now you also have this here, which is this functionality. You can actually speak to this AI tool. You can give it a voice command and it's going to recognize your voice and it's going to paste in the prompt here. Here, you can also add a picture, a photo as a base for this. Let's say you have a picture of a toddler. You can upload it here and it's going to animate that picture into a video. But for now, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to click on submit and it's going to take a little while. Here we have the result. I'll just click to open and you can see this. And it actually comes with the sound. So this is absolutely amazing. You can mute it, you can increase the volume here and watch that again. Wow, that is amazing. So what you could do is you could use this in your Canva editor. It's going to come here and you could also download it directly. I'll just show you. You could download it from here and you could choose your aspect ratio from here, which is 1080, 920 by 1080p. You can make it 4K and I'll just download. Now the next option is called Magic Media for us to be able to create a video, and it's found here on the left hand side, just below your apps. I'll click on that and I'm just going to paste in the same prompt. I'll toggle on video and then I'll paste the prompt. There it is, we have our video. I'll click on that and I see it here now. This is more photorealistic than the previous one. If I play this here, you can see it's not as good. In my opinion, it's not as good as using the interface at home because this one looks a lot better. Now do a comparison of the two. Look at this. This looks to me a lot better. If you look at this, if I play this, you can see the chicken looks like it's gliding and it's not that good. That's why they told us it's experimental technology. Now, if we use the same prompt for an image, the image will look a lot better. This is the image. This is the image. So to me, it's up to you. Judge which one you prefer. Those are the 2 ways to generate a video using Canva AI. So please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Peace.